Here I've got CUBOT R15 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Then you have to select the display where you will find Nightlight. Simply click on it and now you can turn it on now by tapping on Turn on Now. And that's it. Now your device is in Nightlight mode. You can change the intensity of the color, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors, so it's all up to you. Personalize it and adjust it to your needs. You can obviously switch it off the same way, but you can also schedule your nightlight. So simply click on Schedule, and now you can pick either custom time or from sunset to sunrise. From sunset to sunrise it's pretty obvious, so let me pick custom time. And let me show you how to do it. So you can pick the start hour. It can be, for example, 11, and the end hours can be 7 AM next day. So from now on, every day between 11 and 7 AM next day, your nightlight will be automatically activated and obviously then at 7 AM deactivated. And as you can see, nightlight tints your screen amber and it makes it easier to look at your screen or read in dim light, so it will help you to fall asleep more easily. You can also switch on this mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down to open all the functions, and now locate nightlight. Simply click once to activate it, and then you can switch it off by tapping on the same icon one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use night mode in your device, in your CUBOT R15. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.